Hi guys, I wanted to go ahead and give you another supplemental video concerning the income summary. Um, I wasn't happy about uh, the video. I mean, it was okay, but when reviewing it again, I don't believe that I made my point concerning the income summary. What ends up happening in merchandise, in a merchandise company? We're selling and reselling things, right? Walmart. We're selling things that are made for Walmart, but we're also selling things that are not made for Walmart, okay? Which is, again, merchandise, products, Amazon, redistributor. So they have a merchandise. So as you see, they've got merchandise inventory here. Now, just consider this. Throughout the throughout the month, because we're talking about a periodic inventory system where we take the um, inventory at the beginning of the month, and whatever is at the end, then we forward that toward the next month. But here, what we're talking about again is the merchandise that we have right now that we're looking at. And then when they say that we only have so much on hand, like here, we only have $4,000 in hand. Okay, that means that $15,000 of the items have either been sold, have either had and some of them have had a purchase discount on them, and some of them have been returned and made allowances for. So they've been returned back to us, the merchandise company, and then we've sent them back to the vendor. So the summary then is all of the items that were sold, discounted, and returned. We've made those journal entries throughout the month. How much we sold this, we sold that on the cash register. When you hear the little bloop, 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 okay, that is all the merchandise going out. But then what we also don't see is on the daily basis the inventories that is coming back because of the fact that I don't know, it doesn't fit. They didn't like the color. Um, it was defective, or the items that were discounted. We see the discount when we are handed a coupon. Okay, but that's when it comes up at the register. So the summary is just that. It is just the overall amount that is easily to detect because we only have $4,000 left in inventory here. So we know that $15,000 has been sold or has been discounted with sales, how much sales that we have. And remember, I know what you're thinking. Well, $15,000 in the sales. How what is that? Well, remember, they've had their price hike. Just because I get it at a certain cost, then I'm going to go ahead and put the price up because of the freight, how much it cost me to get it. So I'm going to go ahead and increase it by a certain percentage so I can make a profit. So we've had the returns notice, we've had allowances, we've had discounts. So again, the 15,000, we don't see it. And the reason that you don't see, oh, well, we only have 15,000 on hand and we're only going to go forward with the 4,000 on the adjusted trial balance is because it's happened here with the sales, the returns, and the allowances that have been made. So what we're going to do then is we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this, then the 15,000, or kind of summarize it and say, here we have, and we're showing and we're indicating that we started with 19,000, we ended up with 4,000, the adjustment. So we see that the adjusted trial balance, where again we had 19,000, but now we only have 4,000, and we're going to start going forward with this 4,000 for the income statement and the balance sheet. And like I said, that's because the 15,000 amount of the merchandise that we've sold is already here. We've already done it. And the purchases, again, the cost of goods sold is everything. It's the fact that we've made the purchases, how much we have in inventory, how much it costs us, how much it costs us for us to return it or to accept the return, how much it costs us to go ahead and give a discount on, and then how much it cost us for a discount as well. So again, that's why I wanted to go ahead and hope that this helps you a little bit more in understanding why this income summary doesn't show the 15,000, not dollars, but the 15,000 items that we don't have in merchandise inventory anymore. It's because of the fact that they've been sold. We're just summarizing what we have on hand and showing that forward to ensure that we balance. Okay? Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Okay? And remember, we're still registering people this coming week. And early registration has started. So if you have any questions or any needs, please contact me. And let me know if I can help you in any way. The other thing also, please remember that this Friday is the last day to drop any of your classes with a W so that it doesn't hurt your GPA. And again, I'll see you guys on the flip side.